Hi students, welcome back to our channel Chemistry Land. So in the last video you have seen about the topic surface chemistry, the basic concepts, the introduction of surface chemistry, and today we are going to see about the characteristics of adsorption and the types of adsorption. Let us see. Characteristics of adsorption. So what are the characteristics of adsorption? The adsorption occur in all interfacial surfaces, that is between gas solid phase, liquid solid phase, liquid liquid phase, solid solid phase and gas liquid phase. So the adsorption occurs in all the interfacial surfaces. This is the first characteristics of adsorption. Second one, adsorption is a spontaneous process. It is accompanied by decrease in free energy, that is the free energy is denoted as G. So if the free energy decreases, adsorption takes place, adsorption occurs. So it is a spontaneous process. If delta G reaches 0, equilibrium attains, that is if delta G is the change in free energy. If the change in free energy reaches the 0 value, then the process, the adsorption process becomes in equilibrium condition. Okay, this is the third characteristics of adsorption. So let us see the free energy equation, that is change in free energy. Delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. This is the free energy equation. Let us know the terms. Delta G is the change in free energy, delta H is the change in enthalpy, T is the temperature, delta S is the change in entropy. Okay. If molecules are adsorbed, decrease in randomness of the molecule takes place. That is, if the molecules are adsorbed on the surface, then the randomness of the molecule decreases. Randomness is the entropy. We represent the entropy as randomness. So if the molecules are adsorbed on the surface, randomness of the molecule decreases. That is, the delta S is lesser than 0. Here the delta S, that is change in entropy, is lesser than 0. So T delta S becomes negative. So adsorption is exothermic. So the adsorption process is exothermic. Exothermic means the evaluation of heat. That is called as exothermy. So these are the four characteristics of adsorption. Next one, we will see about the types of adsorption. So what are the types of adsorption? There are two types of adsorption. First one is physical adsorption or physisorption. It is otherwise called as physisorption. Second one is chemical adsorption or chemisorption. Okay. Let us see the first adsorption, physical adsorption. That is, generally the forces acting between the adsorbent and the adsorbate is the adsorption process. So in physical adsorption, physical forces such as van der Waals force of attraction, dipole-dipole interaction, dispersion forces exist between adsorbate and adsorbent. So these forces are weak. Okay, that is, what are the forces? Van der Waals force of attraction, dipole-dipole interaction, dispersion forces. These are the three forces existing between the adsorbent and adsorbate in physisorption. So these forces are weak. So heat of adsorption is low here. So the process occurs at low temperature. Because heat of adsorption is low, so the process occurs at low temperatures. That is, the physisorption occurs at low temperatures. So let us see the example for physisorption, that is nitrogen adsorbed on mica. This is one example, and gases adsorbed on charcoal. This is another example. Next one, the second type of adsorption is chemical adsorption or chemisorption. That is, gas molecules are held to the surface by formation of chemical bonds. That is, gaseous molecules are adsorbed on the surface. So the bond formation takes place. The bond is very strong, that is, strong bond is formed. So in chemisorption, 400 kilojoule per mole is given out as heat of adsorption. So in chemisorption, the bond formation takes place. Because of the strong bond formation, 400 kilojoule per mole is given out as heat of adsorption. So, let us see the examples for chemisorption. Oxygen adsorbed on tungsten. Second one, hydrogen adsorbed on nickel. This is the second example. Third one is ethyl alcohol vapors adsorbed on nickel. These are the three examples for chemical adsorption or chemisorption. So, we have seen about the types of adsorption, physical adsorption, chemical adsorption, and the examples for the physical and chemical adsorptions. So, in this video we have seen about the characteristics of adsorption and the types of adsorption. So, if you all like this video, please share this video, comment it, like it, please subscribe our YouTube channel Chemistry Land and also press the bell icon. Please watch the full video. Thank you.